Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You already don't like to waste nobody's time, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Today, I want to hit y'all with this amazing news that we just received from Apple. I've been telling y'all in the previous videos, go ahead and get you some apples. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing y'all the stocks that I like, the stocks that I trade, the stocks that's in my portfolio, and do your own research and due diligence. But this is awesome stuff here. You already know. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Like I told y'all previously, Apple reported their first quarter results and they blew it out of the water, guys. Revenue up 21% and EPS up 35% to all-time records. iPhone wearable and services set new revenue records. January 27, 2021, Apple today announced financial results for its fiscal 2021 first quarter ended December 26, 2020. The company posted all-time record revenue of $111.4 billion, up 41% year over year, and quarterly earnings per diluted share of $1.68, up 35%. International sales accounted for 64% of the quarter's revenue. That's extremely amazing, you guys. Apple is doing big things and it's extremely undervalued. This is not financial advice. Apple, let's talk about it. Let's talk about this right here. The huge news that we just got. Apple and Hyundai, this is what we've been already anticipating on. Before this news even came out, we already been, us investors and everybody that's in finance, we already been anticipating on Apple combining with a company to make a car. So let's see what they have to say, guys. Apple and Hyundai Kia pushing toward deal on Apple Car. This was published February 3rd, 2021, yesterday. Apple is close to finalizing a deal with Hyundai Kia to manufacture an Apple-branded autonomously electric vehicle at the Kia assembly plant in West Point, Georgia. Sources tell CNBC. According to one source familiar with Hyundai Kia's strategy, Chung has made it clear mobility is the future of the company. That's important because the Apple Car will be fully autonomously. Sources familiar with Apple's interests and working with Hyundai say the tech giant wants to build the Apple Car in North America with an established automaker willing to allow Apple to control the software and hardware that will go into the vehicle. Wow, guys. So it sounds like Apple is going to make a fully autonomously self-driving car. It sounds like they trying to go ahead and get in this game before all these other EVs. Tesla already done took off to the moon. Ford and Porsche, all these foreign cars, everybody trying to catch up in the EV market now because that's the way of the future. In the future, that's where our life is going to shift over to. No more oil and gasoline. Everything's going to be moving off energy, solar panel roads, autonomously driven cars, self-driving cars. Like everybody's trying to get on the wagon now because they know they don't want to get left behind in the dust. You feel me? So this is going to be huge, y'all. This is going to be very, very huge. And if Apple already doing this with their products, they're already doing this with iPhones and MacBooks and iPads. Imagine what they're going to be doing with Apple cars. Me, myself, I wouldn't buy no Apple car. I'm not a fan just because it don't even sound right to me, an Apple car. I don't know, maybe if it come out and it's cool, and I don't know, if it look different than I expected it to look, I might. But me, the type of guy I am, I don't really see myself driving around in an Apple car. You feel me? If I get a EV, autonomously driven car, I would have to go with a Tesla. Now, I'm just saying, but this don't take anything. Everybody else is going to love this, though. Everybody else is going to love this. This is just me. I'm not really. I probably don't be a fan of the Apple car, or maybe I will. I haven't seen it yet. But anyways, let's go ahead and dig into it. I'm gonna put the chart up here. We're gonna look at the chart, see how the chart been doing, see how they been moving, and see how they trying to shake y'all out, so y'all won't get any of these good gains that's Apple about to be giving. So let's go ahead and look into that. Let's take a look at it. Apple. Yesterday it was trading at about $135 a share. Then it was dropping. It dropped to 134, dropped to 133. Then it worked its way back up to 135. and it dropped again, showing us this support at $133.72. And then it consolidated into the close. Soon as after Robinhood closed at 6, it shot up, giving them a missed opportunity if they sold their shares. So let's take it back a week. Last week, on January 28th, Apple was trading at around $141. This right before the news had dropped about their earnings, about how well they've done. They made over $111.4 billion in the first quarter, with iPhone 12 selling real good. So 141, and it dipped all the way down to 130, giving you $10 off Apple product. $10 off the share that you want to own. They don't even have deals on the iPads or the iPhones. They won't even give you no money off, but you got a chance to be able to get the stock at a steal. So let's take a look back. Everybody anticipating on Apple to go up. The news is good. The earnings is good. We got a rumor with Apple and making a car with Kia. So it's like everything lining up to be good. But we've been in this market a long time, y'all, and we like to stay safe and stay prepared. And not saying you can get in this and it can drop on you and you can still make your money in the long term. But my thing is, I don't want to purchase a stock and I'm purchasing right before it's dipping. I want to get a stock. I want to get in at the best of my ability. I want to get in at the best price that I can get in at. If Apple trading at 136 and it can potentially fall down to 116, I want to get in around 120, 118. I don't want to be in at 136, even though I know it's going to $300, $400, $500 a few years from now. You get what I'm saying? So I always try to get in at the best possible price. So that's the chart on Apple, you guys. Past 5 years, we see it's been on a steady uptrend. So you already know that's what I have for y'all today. This your boy B Hayes. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing. You already know how we do. It's your boy B Hayes, and we out.